top 10 DeFi coins to buy in 2020. Welcome back, guys. It's Crypto Rocco from Rockstar Trading Channel. In today's video, guys, I'll be talking about DeFi. So what is DeFi? What are the best DeFi coins to buy? Which ones are the top DeFi coins? I'll also talking about smaller DeFi coins that could have huge potential. And also, guys, I'll be showing with exactly how I'm trading it as well. So one of the trades we took recently is OM. So in YouTube videos, I'll share with you which coins I'm buying, what I'm looking for in the educational group. I post exactly when I'm buying coins, what I'm looking for. This is one of the trades that we took yesterday, which had a big move up. So if you're interested, I'll leave the links below for you to check out. But let's talk about DeFi. So what is DeFi? One area in cryptocurrency attracting huge attention is DeFi, which stands for decentralized finance, and it refers to the financial services using smart contracts, which are automated, enforceable agreements that don't need intermediaries like banks and lawyers to use online blockchain technology instead. And we can see the huge growth in DeFi from 2.1 million to 6.9 billion and 2.9 billion just in August. Past couple of months have been absolutely crazy with DeFi. Ethereum has been one of the biggest trade. I mean, this is the key DeFi coin. I'll explain what DeFi is. You can see it's gone up almost 2x from 200 to over 400. I could let me show you how it will take. Let's actually check this video out on Ethereum. It explains to exactly how I've traded Ethereum, where I got in, where I sold it. This was the Ethereum breakout I got in at, and it's been one of the best trades. It will take me too long to scroll through, and so people ask me, are you actually trading them? You can check everything in the group. You can post search for it and see exactly how I've traded Ethereum. But this was one of the best trades. I'll talk about the key DeFi coins as well, but let's carry on with this. So one of the reasons why it's almost double is because the DeFi narrative is getting new people coming in and investing in cryptocurrency. That definitely helps push price up. So DeFi is mainly built on Ethereum blockchain, hence we've seen Ethereum go up so much, and also Ethereum 2.2 adds help push that price up. And the next step in the revolution in disruptive financial technology that began since Bitcoin. One area in which these decentralized applications have taken off is cryptocurrency trading on decentralized exchanges as Uniswap. I've talked about Uniswap in previous videos. I recommend you check out, I think that video I talked about a coin called XAMP, which I've traded, which almost double within days. Uniswap, I mean, it's a very risky exchange. I'm not saying invest a lot of money. I traded with a small amount, and I'll share with you some wildcard coins to buy as well on YouTube. So recommend you smash that like button, subscribe to my channel if you haven't. I also do live streams. I'll try and do a live stream, free live stream in once a month or every other month. I do 3 to 4 live streams a week. You get access to unit course and the trades myself and other people are posting in that, but I try and do one free every other month. So make sure you turn on the notification button so you get notified when I'm going live. So let's carry on with DeFi. So these are some of the DeFi coins: borrow and lend cryptocurrencies to earn platforms similar to Compound and Aave. These are probably the two biggest ones. Bet on the outcome of events using Augur. Create and exchanging derivatives of real world assets such as currencies or precious metals, SNX or SXN synthetics. Take part in no loss lottery on pool together. Buy cryptocurrencies known as stable coins like these ones. So we can see why DeFi, some of the use cases of why DeFi is so popular. The two main coins I want to talk about in DeFi is I'll touch on the craze and the regulations and all of that, but the two main coins I'm really interested is Ethereum. Like I've said, this is one of the the most important coins out there. I mean, Bitcoin is one that I hold. I'm mainly a trader, getting in and out trades. Sometimes I hold for a few months if it's a good trade, but usually in and out. And Ethereum has been one of the best coins, and I recommend you check out Ethereum. And the other one would be Chainlink. These are the two key ones, and we can talk about Chainlink. Chainlink, I provide YouTube videos as well because it's such a popular coins. Some of the smaller coins people don't watch it on YouTube, but Chainlink, I provided videos on YouTube since $5. I mainly trade Chainlink against BTC, and this is another DeFi coin that has absolutely gone crazy. And I think Chainlink fundamentally is a good coin. I mean, long term it's already gone up, so if you've missed the trade, you've probably got to wait for it. If you go check out my Chainlink videos, I think from a few months ago. I posted when it was breaking out of here with a stop below. I sold most of it a lot earlier, but it's just been carrying on. So there's lots of opportunities. I mean, you need to take action, guys. If you just wait for, you know, things to happen, like, you know, wait for Bitcoin to go up, or, you know, someone to tell you, there's always opportunities available. You know, educate yourself. You have to work hard, but you have to take action, because we've not really seen this sort of move. You know, we could just go sideways now, but if we carry on, this has been one of the best couple of months in trading cryptocurrency since back in 2017 when Bitcoin went crazy. So make sure you take action and take advantage of this. We're not sure how long we're going to get this. So the two main coins I want to get out there, I'll try to keep this video to 10-15 minutes, but the two key coins I want to share with you is Ethereum and Chainlink. Please do your research on those two, and if you're investing, again, I've got videos on investing, but I mainly hodl BTC, like I said, so look at that as well, and then look to Trader. There's a, you know, my full investing trading strategy in the group where I talk about how I allocate my capital, so check that out if you are interested. So why is the craze? First, regulators have been behind the curve. DeFi has been able to flourish in this vacuum. For instance, in traditional unsecured lending, there's a legal requirement. Lenders and borrowers know one another's identity, and that lender assesses the borrower's ability to repay the debt. In DeFi, there are no such requirements. Instead, everything is mutual trust and preserving privacy. Regulators are having the delicate balance between stifling innovation and failing to protect society from such risk. So there's obviously risk to it as well, but we need to make sure that, you know, we do our own diligence and don't like just invest all our money. In July, the US Securities SEC made a major shift towards embracing DeFi by approving an Ethereum based fund, ARCA. So that was one of the biggest news I think that helped the price for Ethereum and cryptocurrency. If you watch my top 5 videos that I make every month, I talk about, you know, the importance of watching Bitcoin and Ethereum, because they help us being in the right side of the market. I mean, on YouTube I share with you which coins I'm buying and what I'm looking for. In the group I tell you exactly with stop loss entries and targets where to look to get in. So we can see the importance and why this buzz have come on. And the second reason is mainstream players are getting involved. Many high street financial institutions are beginning to accept DeFi and seeking ways to participate. That always helps. Most price increases are due to, you know, FOMO, due to people getting excited, want to make millions. Most people that are watching are probably not trying to understand or learn how to trade and improve themselves. They're rather thinking, oh, how can I buy something and make money? So that FOMO always works, and as traders we try to get in before the herd, and it sounds bad, but sell it when other people are looking to get back into it. So these are some of the main reasons why there's been a DeFi craze, and I talked about DeFi briefly, and yield farming I want to touch on that as well. So one of the coins that can help me explain that is Compound. So Compound, I mean, I'm sure you've heard about Ethereum, Chainlink. If you're involved in cryptocurrency, you might have also heard about Compound and Maker. So let me touch on Compound, which explains what yield farming is, which traders lend and borrow cryptocurrency to not just receive an interest or a loan, but to receive new types of digital tokens. The most prominent example came in June when Compound issued a new cryptocurrency called Comp. So Compound has been one of the more popular ones. Another popular one. There's been so many coins, and Comp is actually a coin that we traded perfectly. So again, these are I do 3 to 4 live streams, and I try to post every day. So Comp, we were looking for a breakout, so I posted the trade, how I'm looking to get into Comp, and it was a really nice trade. It worked out perfectly. We had a huge breakout move and 23%. That's where I looked to take some off. So my trading strategy, I look to take some profit, and I then let it run if it carries on going. So if we go and have a look at Comp, I will look at some smaller coins as well, and I'll look at the charts to explain to you how I'm trading it. So this is not the chart I'm looking for. This is the one. So we can see Comp broke out here, and Comp had a crazy rally. It went up about 79% within couple of days. Within 3 days I sold most at this pump and here, so I didn't hold, but it's looking good again. There might be another setup coming up in Comp, and if we break 260 into new highs, Comp can be absolutely crazy. So this is exactly how I've traded Comp, like you've seen, and I'm not saying all my trades gonna work. Some could be wrong and the market's not moving, but the way the market has been, my trading strategy has been working. Like if you want updates like this, live streams and access to unit course, I'll leave the links below for you to find out more. You can trial us for a month month for less than $30, and also there's a yearly offer as well with 70% discount if you want to join our educational group. We're launching a Telegram group as well where we can have better discussions. So let's start looking at the small DeFi projects that could have big potentials this year. I recommend you comment below your coins, and I'll make another video, maybe a detailed one, maybe an hour long, where I maybe do a live stream on DeFi coins where we can exchange our ideas and look at the best coins to invest in. This one I'm going to touch on some coins that I've done my research on and I want to explain to you guys. So YF Value is not that one I know too much about, but it's inspired governance token that is rewarded to cryptocurrency yield farmers. So it's similar to Comp, and this seems to be another popular one as well. Another one that I personally trade is Wi-Fi. I don't know if you've heard about it. I talked about it in one of the live stream. I shared a trade idea on this one. This was so my strategy is basically trend continuation pullback. This was the strategy I posted. This had a big move up. I'm looking to get in it again. Then it talks about compound finance. It's one of the first projects to shift investors' focus away from Bitcoin due to the handsome investor earnings through yield farming. By lending out digital assets through compounds liquidity pool, investors instantly start earning continuous compound interest. Again, I'm not shilling compound, I'm not in compound at the moment, but this is a concept when I've done my research I like. Yearn Finance comes in next. I talked about Yearn. This has got another FOMO as well, and a lot of these coins. And one thing I'll talk about some negatives as well. So most YouTubers talk about things going to XRP going to 589 and 1000. I like to understand where the hype is and get in good prices and sell. I'm not really hodling. If you are looking to invest for long term, that's different. And these projects could be good. You have to do research on the team, what they're trying to do. You need to do a lot more research on tokenomics. Are they dumping coins? There's lots of things you have to do if you're investing long term. And I hodl some. I mainly hodl BTC, but you need to understand if something goes FOMO 200-300%. Look to have a trading strategy to get in, because it could easily pull back a lot. So YAM is one that I don't know too much, but these are some similar coins that are very similar to Comp and Wi-Fi. We know Justin Sun always tries to get involved in the craze, and I'm looking at Tron coin as well because that can have a move up. But Just is a Tron and Just a team to go and all in the DeFi system. We will not back down until we see decentralized financial revolution. I have faith that as long as we race against time and keep updating our products, JustSwap will one day become a powerhouse of 100x cryptocurrencies, and Tron will build DeFi protocol that parallels Ethereum. So Justin Sun's got involved in it as well. So keep an eye out for that token. If it breaks out, gives us a trade strategy. There's lots of volume coming in, and FOMO on social media, we'll look to get in, because Justin Sun, whatever you think about Tron, Justin Sun is very good at marketing. So top 20 coins, DeFi coins, let's look at some of these ones as well. Maker is a stable decentralized reserve bank coin. It's a coin that I like. I've done a bit of research. The team seems solid as well. It is proclaimed the second largest project within the DeFi space, following right behind Link. This token is among select few that sits at high price per piece, and understanding what they're doing, that makes sense. Many analysts trust that Maker project is one to watch for as they promotes financial freedom, has almost no volatility, and is integrated in over 400 apps and services. Lend has been another monster. I could show you exactly how I've been trading Lend. So Lend, we've been trading it for a while. It will take me forever if I try to show you, but if you watch my YouTube videos, I talked about Lend a lot, so it's not an after the fact. You'll see some of the buy zones I've shared from back in, because I do live streams every day, almost every day. I look at these charts every day. You can see from back in June it was breaking out, and this has been an absolute monster. I've not just bought it here, guys, and I've made 400%. That's not how it works. I've got in and out, and I got some couple of really good trades. Some of the buy zones you can see, these are the buy zones that I shared. This buy zone, I shared a buy zone here as well, and we got stopped out. These are the couple more buy zones that we're in, and it's going nicely. The recent one here, we're already up some on this trade as well, and again look to take half off, and then we look to get in. So this has been another crazy coin. Aave is an open source non-custodial protocol through which users can earn interest on deposits and can borrow assets. Obviously in this case their native token Lend is needed. Speaking in regard to Lend, as per the official website, it has a market cap of, you can see the market cap in January 2020 it was sitting at $0.009. However, at the time of writing, it managed to grow to almost 60 cents, which is absolutely crazy. I want to touch on SNX as well. I've already spoke about this. This is another very popular one. This is a coin that we've looked to trade as well. And again, trading, if someone said, can you make 100% every day, can you make 10% every month or every year, you can't guarantee anything in trading depends on what setups you get. If the coins are going up, like the money that you make in 2017 when Bitcoin's going crazy, if you follow my trading strategy, you can't make that back in 2018. It depends a lot on the market. So SNX and showing Lend, you'll make a lot more money trading Lend than SNX because it's not pumped as much. There's some of the buy zones that I shared in SNX. I'm looking for a breakout now to get into SNX. And so talked about, so the stakers have potential to make fees on each SN Synth trade made as a derivatives liquidity protocol based off Ethereum blockchain. It's managed to trend upwards starting June 2020. It hasn't stopped ever since, and it talks about the market cap as well. These are a couple of other coins. Comp comes in as well. I'm not going to read it all. I don't want this video to be over 20 minutes. So I'll talk about this. KNC, or out of all the DeFi tokens made into the list, Kyber Networks native coin has heightened growth in 2020, although the value is not comparable of that of January 18 when we had that crazy move up. KNC, the blockchain-based liquidity protocol that can be easily integrated into any application without any intermediary role, is another popular coin to look for. So there's loads of other coins. Ampleforth could be a really big coin as well. It's dumped a lot, and there's loads of I'm not an expert in Ample. There's someone in the group that knows a lot more about Ample. He sent you can stake it and keep it in wallets and get extra Ampleforth. They give you on can't remember the exact date, every week or every once a month you get Ampleforth. So this is on KuCoin, and I'm watching for this to have a breakout. This is consolidating now. This could set up in the near future as well. So I'm not going to explain all these coins. It will take me a long time. If you are interested, comment below which coins, and I'll make another video explaining which coins. Band and Ren is another coin that we trade. It's an open protocol that grants access to blockchain liquidity for all decentralized applications. Investors can secure their holdings of BTC, Cash, ZEC by bridging them to Ethereum. So I like what they're trying to do as well. Some of the other coins, if you go through them, so I think I've covered quite a few already. MakerDAO I've already talked about. SNX I've talked about. DYDX I've not done too much research on them, but it's a decent trading platform, and what they're trying to do with Ethereum, a trading platform, is one that I want to keep an eye out for. And Uniswap, like I've talked about, is one of the most popular ones, and there's loads of opportunities there. But if you are trading on there, please use small capital. If we look some other articles, the similar ones comes up. One of the ones I wanted to touch on quickly was BZX. There's lots of FOMO around BZX, so all those looking to interest from their Ether are able to lock it in BZX, which is then used to offer borrowers competitive rates. The platform has lower operational costs than its centralized counterparts, making it accessible for all sizes of margin. There's loads of FOMO around it. Bancor, this is BNT, I believe the name for it is. We took a trade in BNT, and some of them I trade. I don't know what the coins actually do. I'll wait for a setup, wait for news, but I also love cryptocurrency on weekends. I look to do some research on them. You can see this was one BNT trade we did take, but there's BNT could be another coin. I'm looking for this to hold support and look for a setup. Again, there's loads of other coins. Bancor comes up, the similar ones comes up. So I'll look to end the video now. Again, if I've missed any DeFi coins, comment below, message me. I'm happy to look at them. And if you want more information on how to trade, exactly where to get in, because it's all good knowing which coins to buy, but knowing when to buy, when to sell, and actually make profit. Because I know people that get in good prices, let it ride and let it drop. It's very important to learn how to trade. So if you're interested in exactly which coins I'm buying, and have mentoring, because I do live streams where you can ask me questions and learn from other groups, check out the group. And it's an awesome group, and we're launching Telegram as well, so check out the group before the prices go up. So thank you very much, guys. To end the video, my question to you guys is comment below your best DeFi project, and don't just say a DeFi name and it's going up. Just comment a couple of lines if you can, why you think is important, and let's have a discussion. I'll make another video if there's a lot more interested. So thank you very much. Smash that like button, subscribe to my channel, comment below your favorite DeFi project, and let's have a discussion. So thank you very much, and I'll see you guys soon.